Today I'm going to show you how to build an app on Framer step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. Framer is a fantastic tool for turning a simple idea into a polished app-style experience without needing to build everything from zero. Whether you're creating a SaaS product, a dashboard, or a mobile-style app, this workflow will help you get moving fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is go to Framer Templates. Open your browser and head to framer.com/templates. Once you're there, use the search bar and look for an app, SaaS, or dashboard template. The reason we start with a template is simple. It saves a huge amount of time and gives you a professional foundation to build from. Instead of designing every screen manually, you can start with a structure that already looks clean and modern. After you find a template that fits your idea, click Use Template or Remix. Framer may also prompt you to duplicate the project, so go ahead and click Duplicate if that option appears. This creates your own editable version of the template, which is important because now you can customize everything without affecting the original design. Once the template opens, take a moment to look around and understand the structure. Next, open the project and check the Pages panel. You'll usually see pages like Home, Features, Pricing, or other sections depending on the template you chose. This helps you understand how the app is organized. Think of each page as part of your app experience if you're building a landing page for an app. These sections are often where users learn what your product does, how it works, and why they should use it. Spend a few minutes clicking through the pages so you know what's already included before you start editing. Now it's time to customize the screens. This is where your app idea really starts to come to life. Replace the default text with your own content. Update any placeholder images, swap out icons if needed, and change the wording so it matches your product or service. If the template has feature cards, testimonials, buttons, or call to action sections, edit those areas to reflect your own app. The goal here is to make the template feel like it was designed specifically for your business. As you edit, keep the user experience in mind. Make your copy clear and simple. If your app has a main purpose, make sure that purpose is obvious right away. A good app layout should guide the user naturally from one section to the next. Framer makes this easier because you can directly click into elements and adjust them visually. You do not need to be a coding expert to make the design feel professional. After customizing the content, move on to the app layout. If you want your Framer project to feel like a real mobile app, set the page width to a mobile size, such as 390 pixels. This helps create the correct phone screen feel and ensures your design fits nicely on smaller devices. You can adjust the canvas or frame size depending on how your project is structured. This step is especially important if you want users to open it on their phones and have it feel like a native app experience. To make it feel even more like an app, add a top navigation bar or a bottom navigation bar. Navigation is one of the biggest differences between a website and an app-style interface. A bottom nav bar is especially common for mobile apps because it gives users quick access to the most important sections. You can include icons for home, search, profile, settings, or any pages that matter for your app. Keeping navigation simple makes the experience smoother and easier to use. Once your layout is ready, go back through the design and polish anything that feels out of place. Check spacing, alignment, font sizes, button styles, and image quality. Small details make a big difference in how finished your app feels. If something looks too large on mobile, resize it. If a section feels cluttered, simplify it. This is the stage where you refine the experience so it feels intentional and easy to navigate. When everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish in Framer to make your app live. After publishing, open it on a mobile device and see how it behaves. This is where the app-style experience really comes through. If you set everything up correctly, your Framer project should open beautifully on a phone and feel much more like an app than a traditional website. And that's it. You've now learned how to build an app on Framer using a template, customize the screens, set up a mobile-friendly layout, and publish the final result. This is one of the fastest ways to launch a polished app concept without getting stuck in complicated development work. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.